JET's reputation is built one tool at a time. Their rugged range of machinery powers your workday and workforce. Committed to quality, JET's full 2-year warranty leads the industry, and their safety features are a caliber unmatched by others. JET Tools puts the power in your hands. The BDB 919 and BDB 929 benchtop lathes are the essential steps to improving your shop's capabilities. Engineered with precision induction-hardened ground bedways and precision tapered roller bearings, they deliver the smooth operation and rigidity needed to craft professional pieces. Designed for the most versatile shops, the quick change and enclosed gearbox provide a wide range of inch and metric threads, and the power longitudinal feed allows forward and reverse threading with a simple flip of a switch. Operator safety is a priority for JET. That is why the BDB 919 and BDB 929 include a safety on-off switch, an easy-to-reach emergency stop, and a chuck guard. Standard accessories include the 4-inch 3-jaw chuck, 7 1/4-inch 4-jaw chuck, 7-inch faceplate, 4-way tool post, and MT2 and MT3 dead centers, so your shop is ready to tackle any job. Visit jettools.com to see more information and find a dealer near you.